Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a freeCodeCamp tutorial on web accessibility. We're going to learn about the different types of elements within HTML5. So besides the div, which is the default that the browser will render, there's other tags to show what type of content you're going to write, such as main, header, footers, nav, article, and section. And these all follow semantic HTML because they give meaning to the content. And assistive technology can access this information to provide better page summary or navigation options for the users. In this lesson, we're going to focus on the main element, which you use to wrap around the main content. And there should only be one of them per page. And it should be surrounded by content that's the central topic. And if there's any repeats, such as a banner, a navigation link, like this wouldn't be a nav, wouldn't be the main content, but this would be the main content for this page. So for this exercise, also main can also have a feature where you jump to main content, and it helps with assistive technology. For this exercise, Camper Cat has some big issues for his ninja weapons page. Help him set up his markup by adding opening and closing main tags between the header and footer, and keep the main tags empty for now. So we see there's a header and there's a footer, and we just add main, and we also have to close the main as well. And that should be it for this one. Thank you so much.